Welcome to Conquer the Wild. I'm off. I'm excited. I'm also late. हमने सुबह निकलना था, रात के 9 बज गए हैं. We're off via Hyderabad. We're heading to Dadu. We're packed to capacity. It's going to be fun. This is easily the worst driving conditions you can have, right? आंधी आई है रास्ते में. It's cold. It's cold. सेवन शरीफ है. सुना है कि मज़ार है उस वक्त बंद है. But we're going to try to see कि अगर खुला हुआ है कि नहीं. कभी आमद आती है और कभी बुलावा आता है. आज हमें आमद तो आई, मगर लाल शहबाज के पास से बुलावा जो हमें आया था वो अधूरा रह गया. इस वक्त सफाई हो रही है तो वी कांट गो इनसाइड. दुआ हम बाहर से करते हैं, आपके लिए, हम सब के लिए. Let's go conquer the wild. Good morning, sunshine. How are you? That's Anit Jitoi, one of my oldest friends. I haven't seen him in more than a decade. और थोड़ी ही देर में आपको पता चलेगा कि मैंने इतनी बड़ी झप्पी क्यों मारी. What's the schedule?
Listen, you get some rest. You get the light. Then they'll go with your car. क्या कर रहे हैं?
काम कर रहा हूँ, गाड़ी साफ कर रहा हूँ.
गाड़ी साफ कर रहे हो?
गाड़ी साफ कर रहा हूँ.
गाड़ी को छोड़ दो, इतनी बारिश हुई तुम्हारी गाड़ी ब्राउन हो जाएगी अभी. चलो, let's load up.
Sure, man.
सामान खरीदो.
There's supposed to be an ethic to hunting as well.
Of course, yeah, like everything else. Anything out of limits is bad, yeah. As the hunters be in, they go overboard, kill everything just for the pleasure of killing. That's not how it works.
Let's go, bro.
Let's
go. Excited.
Let's go. Nice driving, buddy.
So this is Jitoi car service and company.
Mufti new, repaint for free.
Acha, tell me, these are your lands?
Yeah, this is a wheat crop. This is sarson right here.
This is wheat. This is sarson.
This is sarson was getting ripe now.
हाँ. ये जो हम फिल्मों में शॉट देखते हैं, बीच में वो काजोल भाग रही होती है.
वो यार मैंने पहले बताया ना, काजोल was unavailable. एक और हैं, वो हैं, वो बाद में फिर बात करेंगे और कैमरा के बारे में.
A proper hunting lodge.
So that's the target setup, Wajahat. We were running for on time. We're going to make you sit you here. And you're going to take shots at that target.
How far is that?
100 yards. I can't overemphasize on 3 rules. First, second and third OS safety, safety, safety. Always keep the gun up.
Yeah.
Keep the finger away from trigger.
Yeah.
And no matter if I hand you the gun, you hand me the gun, always check if the weapon's loaded or empty. Okay guys, get ready. Range live. Ajay, put the safety off and fire when you're ready.
Alright.
What are you going for, brick or target?
I'm going to start with the brick.
Alright, go for it.
Start with the third one on the right.
Yeah. Just aim in the center and squeeze the trigger. Wow. क्या बात है खान साहब, आपने तो लेटा दिए. Yeah. That's fantastic.
Smells nice.
Okay, sir. Nicely done.
Yeah.
You buy that.
It's time to get Donald Duck.
Oh, did you get that?
Yeah.
Nice.
Good boy, Diego. Good boy.
Well done, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
So, chalo, we're not only having dal for dinner, we have some meat as well.
Dal duck.
Good shooting, buddy.
Hello, Qatar ka, hello,
If it flies, it's food. That's the ethic. Nice. क्या नाम है इसका? This is fun, yes. It's dangerous as well. इसमें guns की safety जरूरी है. लोग जो आपके इर्द गिर्द हैं उनको भी देखना पड़ता है कि ये इसे फॉर ग्रांटेड आप नहीं ले सकते. जो आपकी ज़मीनें हैं ये एक पूरा एक फुल सर्कल है. आके बदमाशी नहीं कर सकते. Whatever you hunt, you should eat, and respecting people, respecting the land, respecting what's around you, respecting animals. Yep, dinner. That's dinner. Not much, little late. ये दस्तावेजी और फीचर फिल्मों में आपने देखा होगा कि ज़्यादातर जो हंटिंग होती है वो दिन में होती है, मगर आपस की बात है कि असली शिकार रात को. Right, Mark? I got it. Yeah, I feel guilty after these things.
Well, you did a very humane job.
I'm not feeling like, you know, जो एक होता है ना. Started in Karachi, we left Karachi, we did what we could, but अब हमारा जो प्लान है वो मॉफ हो रहा है. इधर दादू में महर में we're leaving inshallah in the morning, and then we are heading to the desert. We're heading to South Punjab. Let's do it, man.